How to top up your Fire Kirin account safely. First of all, open the Fire Kirin app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, from the main screen or game lobby, look for the shop option and tap on it. Here you will see several options to buy coins. Then tap on the one that offers the best value for you at a suitable price. To complete the purchase, you need to top up your account. You can add a credit or debit card to top up easily, allowing you to buy any coins or other in-game items. Choose the payment method you trust and prefer for the transaction. Before proceeding, make sure you are connected to a secure and private internet connection to protect your payment details. Enter the amount you want to top up and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once the payment is successful, your Fire Kirin account balance will be updated automatically. If you face any issues during the process, immediately contact Fire Kirin customer support for assistance. Now you know how to top up your Fire Kirin account safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.